For slide 16, it gives us the mass. It tells us we are initially at rest, so we know the beginning velocity. And then it tells us the final velocity that it leaves the cooker. It does also give us the angle, although that's not going to be important, so we can just ignore that for now. So it wants to know the magnitude of the impulse, so just the size of the impulse, so there's no negative answer. So impulse. And the symbol we usually use for impulse is J. I don't know why they're using an I there. Impulse causes a change in momentum. The mass is not changing in this situation, so what is changing is the velocity. And so that would just be final minus initial. Since it starts at rest, or change velocity is just the same thing as the final velocity. And so when we calculate our impulse J, that's just going to be equal to 0.4 multiplied by 5 minus 0, which gives us an impulse equal to 2. And that'll be our answer.